Hey guys, it's Prachi, and in today's video I'll show you how to use the BBlunt Back to Life Dry Shampoo for instant freshness. I'll also show you how to use the BBlunt Spotlight Hair Polish for instant shine. So I'm going to start with the BBlunt Back to Life Dry Shampoo, which I'm sure some of you already know is used to add like an instant freshness to your hair. For instance, like we shampoo our hair, right, to clean up the hair, to get like a fresh look, but it's not always possible to use shampoo. So on those days you can totally use this dry shampoo to get that instant fresh look to your hair. It absorbs the oil, it absorbs the grease, it absorbs the grime, and in just like a few seconds, literally just a few seconds, your hair can get like an instant fresh look. Now using this is actually very simple, guys. All you have to do is to give the bottle a little shake and holding it upright and 6 inches away from your hair, you just spray it on. I'll just show you how this is done. Just section out your hair. So if you have patience, you can use a comb or something to section out your hair. I just use fingers as usual, and it works. Like honestly, it just works. So just give your shampoo a little shake and holding it around 6 inches away from your hair. Just spray it on your scalp. As you see, there will be a little bit of white, dusty kind of a formation, but don't worry, there's nothing wrong with it. It's supposed to look like that. And that's it. Just massage everything really well. So this way what happens is like the whole dry shampoo just spreads across the entire scalp. And that's it, guys. Just massage everything really well, and that's it. After about 2 minutes you can comb through your hair. You can even use a brush, whatever works for you. And now let's move to the BBlunt Spotlight Hair Polish. Now guys, the BBlunt Spotlight Hair Polish is basically a spray-on serum. Okay, it's like a spray-on serum for your hair, which adds like a shine to your hair. Also, it is actually specifically made for the Indian hair. It is specifically made to protect your hair against heat damage, against styling damage. So it's something which you can actually use on a very regular basis. Okay, so I'll just show you how to use the Spotlight Hair Polish on your hair. You can use it like just like after a basic styling thing. So I'll do a simple braid because I think that's what girls do, like on a regular day-to-day basis. A braid is something which we do all the time. So I'll just make a simple braid and I'll just show you how to use it. And once again, just give the bottle a little shake and holding it upright and 6 inches away from your hair, just spray it on. This time you need to spray on your hair, not on your roots. Okay, so keep that in mind. So guys, that's all for now. That's all I wanted to share in today's video. If you have any queries, if you have any doubts, please write your questions in the comment section below. I'll also mention a few other details about these products that I've used today in the description box below. So yeah, you can check them out. And yeah, don't forget to hit like to this video, subscribe to this channel, and come back for more. Thank you so much for watching, guys. This is me, Prachi, signing off now.